Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to share the makeup tutorial, which is the Pride Rainbow makeup tutorial. And so let's just get started. Firstly, I'm going to pin up my hair so that it won't disturb in the makeup process. And then I'm going to use the Color Bar Mattifying Primer, and I will apply on my whole face so that my pores get filled properly and my face look seamless. So for the next step, I'm going to use Color Bar Illuminating Lotion so that my base look more glowy and shiny. And I always apply it till my neck, always apply my neck area as well, so that my whole face, neck and ears look absolutely same. For the next step, I'm going to use Maybelline foundation, and I will start applying all of my face, forehead, nose, and also I will cover my neck area as well. And I'm here using this YBB sponge to dab my foundation, and I always use this YBB sponge. It is my one of the favorite and holy grail product from the last 4 years, and I'm using this single sponge from the last 4 years. Can you imagine that? Now I'm going to apply concealer. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade of sand, and I will apply under my eyes in the triangle form and start pushing into my skin with the help of, again, with the YBB sponge, and see how beautifully it gets absorbed into my skin. And I just in love with this sponge. And for the next step, I'm here using Kat Von D translucent powder to set my under eyes. First I will make sure there is no creasing, and if it's creasing I will dab it and then apply the loose powder. For the next step, I'm using Benefit Brow, and I will just fill my brows with this brow pomade. Benefit Brows product are just amazing. It's a little bit on the costly side, but it's worth it. And I will first sketch out all my whole eyebrow, and then filling inside, and then moving to the neck. Now I'm using Benefit Brow Gel to fix up my brows. So moving on to the next step, I'm going to use ELF primer to make my eyeshadow base so that my eyeshadows look more vibrant, and so the good colors pop up. And I will dab it on with the help of YBB sponge, and then fix up with the Kat Von D loose powder. Here I'm using the NYX Ultimate Limited Edition palette, and starting with that turquoise color, I will start dabbing on the corner uh, and moving towards. And I'm in the beginning, I'm just taking little bit turquoise color from the starting of my eyelid, and then taking that dark blue color moving forward, same procedure, and just going to that my crease line and whole eye. And I will apply it till the half of my eyes, this color. And then I'm going to take dark blue color, so I'm applying on the corner of my eyes, and so it will look the rainbow, basically light to darker shade. And then I will make sure there will be no lines, and it will merge it properly. And then take the purple color, and I will give a little bit hint on the edge of my eye, basically on the eye corner, and I will make sure that they will blend it properly. I will use the blending brush so that I will blend whole crease and it looks seamless, as like the rainbow looks so seamless. For the other, I am taking this light yellow color for my inner corner, and then I'll start applying the light yellow color from inside, and then moving on to the other part of my eyes. And then I will use that little darker yellow color so that it will more look bright. And I'm using this mustard yellow color so that it looks seamless. Then I will apply that reddish orange color, and to look like just like a sun. And then I will end it up with the darkest red color on my corner of the eyes. Then I will use Maybelline darkest black color gel eyeliner to apply on my upper lash line, and I'm making precise thin line on my upper lash line, and then I will curl my eyelashes using Oriflame eyelash curler, and then I will apply the L'Oreal Paradise waterproof mascara on both my lashes, and then I will just properly coat it, and then I'm using Rimmel nude eye pencil to apply on my lower lash line, and then I will apply the same color on the same sequence, moving from the purple, then blue, then light blue, and the inner corner with the aqua blue, and then on the other eye yellow, then mustard yellow, and orange, and then ended up with the red color. I will make sure that the lower lash line color will be properly blended, and I'm using this Real Technique brush, and then I'm going to apply mascara on my lower lashes, and then I will start contouring my face using this Coastal Scent contouring and concealer palette, and I will apply on my cheekbone, on my nose to make my nose look more defined, and then using the Makeup Revolution brush I will start blending it, and I will blend it under my jawline, and using this YBB sponge I will make sure there is no lines left on my jawline, and then I will completely blend my bronzer. And then moving on to the Cheek Paradise Benefit, I'm using Hoola bronzer to set my contour, and then using the same palette blush, and I apply on the apple of my cheeks, and it is amazing. I love this blush color. And then I'm using Coastal Scent blush and bronzer palette, and I'm taking this beautiful highlighter from this palette, and I will start applying on my nose and also apply on my apple of my. For the lips, I'm going to use this NYX lip paints, and I'm just mixing up these three colors and making my own shade, and starting with that least like nude color, and I'll apply for the base the lighter nude color, and then I will apply the darker shade, and using these Beauty Glaze glitter palette for applying on inner corner. I'm using the white color on the blue side and the golden color on the yellow side, and this palette is amazing. You just no hustle on this palette, you just see how amazing this beautiful look comes out, and I'm so in love with this look, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So this is the final look I came out with using all these products. If you need any product inquiries, I will list down all the products in the description bar below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the video, and please comment down below what you want to see me next, and I'm always up for the opinions, and I always want to share what you guys want to see. And please subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you guys think about this look, and like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.